Hello, everybody. I hope that you are staying happy, healthy, and safe. Today, I'm going to be doing a read aloud of Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. I hope you enjoy. Here is our first in page, How to Find Your Way Whenever You Get Lost. Down in the bottom corner, we have a compass that says NESW. The N stands for north, the E stands for east, the S stands for south, and the W stands for west. Then we have a little map here. It says, this is north, and it leads us up first to the Little Dipper, and then the North Star. And then southeast of the North Star, we have the Big Dipper. Here's our dedication page and our title page. To my son, Harland. This book was written in the first 2 months of your life as I tried to make sense of all of it for you. These are the things I think you need to know. Here we are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. Our solar system, one of trillions. Here we are, Earth. Here is the moon. Here is Mars. Here is Saturn. Here is Neptune. Here's Mercury, the Sun, Venus, Jupiter, Uranus, and finally, Pluto, our favorite dwarf planet. Probably not to scale. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We are glad you found us, as space is very big. There is so much more to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. Here is us. Here is the moon. We are 238,853 miles apart from the moon. Here is space. And here is Mars, the neat planet. The planet is basically made of 2 parts, land, rock, and dirt. Sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about land. It can be hot, or pointy, or cold, or bumpy, or flat, dry, hot, or wet. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk more about that once we've learned to swim. Here is an iceberg. It's fresh water. And here is a diver. You're approximately 7 miles deep. There's also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. There's the Milky Way, which is billions of other stars and little planets. Then we have other planets. We have constellations, which are patterns of stars. Then we have stars, which are burning balls of gas that are very far away. And then we have the sun, which we spin around. This is our atmosphere. We have storm clouds and lightning, the moon, which is around us. We have outer space. We have the stratosphere, which is when the sky is sometimes blue and sometimes not blue. The air we breathe, which is in this area. Sometimes we get snow, we get rainbows, rain, and clouds. Down at the bottom, we have the land and the sea, which we swim in the sea and we walk on the land. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. You have a head, arms, belly, legs. You have a brain for thinking, a heart to pump your blood, lungs for breathing, air, and bones to hold it all together. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Bits that grow back, your nails and your hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though that's no reason not to be nice to them. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime, and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night. When it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly. So use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. So we have come a long way. We haven't quite worked everything out. So there's plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everybody else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. 7,327,450,667 and counting. So, be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth. How to find your way whenever you get lost. This is south. This is the South Pole. This is the pointer. This is the Southern Cross. No one lives here, yet all the people live here. Things to do now that we've read Oliver Jeffers' book. Write your own story about Earth. Write a story about exploring a new planet. Go outside and play to enjoy Earth. Clean up after yourself to keep the planet clean. Create posters about ways to keep our planet clean and safe. Spend times with the ones you love. And never forget, you're not alone. Thanks for coming to my read aloud today. I hope you loved this story.